Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the same games that you have as your friends so that you can play together with them. So for instance, you have to go to friends and chat, right click on their name here, and then select find games to play together. And here are all the games that I have that he has. So it's different for every friend, of course. So for instance, here, right click, find games to play together. There's only one game, which is Devour. But again, it varies for every person, obviously. So you're just going to want to do that if you want to play a game with them. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.